Question number 106. All of the following are associated with the series of steps that results in opening of stomata except dissociation of malic acid into malate ions and protons. It will lead to the opening of the stomata. Influx of potassium ions into the guard cells. It will increase the OP and it will lead to the opening of the stomata. Increase in the turgor pressure of the guard cells. Again will lead to the opening of the stomata. Accumulation of CO2 in the substomatal cavity, it will lead to the closing of the stomata as it will attract the stress hormone, which is the ADA. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 107. Identify the following statement as true or false and choose the option accordingly. A. In xylem, nitrogen does not travel in the form of inorganic ions. No, nitrogen can travel in the xylem in the form of inorganic forms. So this is false. So option number 1 and 3, they are ruled out. B. Exchange of materials takes place between xylem and phloem. This is absolutely true. So this is true and the first one. A is false. C. Phloem transports only organic molecules. No, some of the inorganic molecules are transported via phloem. So this is again false. FTF. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 108. Deficiency symptoms of nitrogen calcium in plants first appear in nitrogen. It's a mobile element. So if it is mobile element, then definitely it will move to the young tissues and there will be no deficiency in the young tissues, but yes, there will be deficiency in the mature organs. Whereas on the other hand, calcium is immobile element. If it is immobile, there will be no deficiency in the older tissues, but yes, the young tissues will be deficient for the calcium if there is a scarcity of calcium. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3, which says mature and young tissues respectively. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 109. For trapping light, light harvesting complex in plants contains chlorophyll A only. No. Many pigments except chlorophyll A. No. Only chlorophyll A and B. No. Many accessory pigments along with chlorophyll A. Yes. It is true, along with the chlorophyll A, there are many other pigments which trap the sunlight for the better photosynthesis. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 110. Select the option which is incorrect with respect to the step in photosynthesis, which is also called the most crucial step of the Calvin cycle. First option, it is the fixation of CO2 into stable organic intermediate. True. Second, it utilizes 2 ATP molecules for the fixation of 1 CO2 molecule. No, it occurs in the reduction step, not in the carboxylation step. Third, CO2 is utilized for the carboxylation of RuBP. Yes. Fourth, enzyme Rubisco is required in this step. True. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.